Good morning everyone. Welcome to Sakar Group Tuition online video lecture. Dear students, you notice that in the last time we have already started our secondary chapter from statistics, that name is a linear correlation. Before this lecture, we have studied two different types of the lecture among. First lecture, we have studied about what is the meaning of linear correlation, which kind of the types of linear correlation. In these topics, which types of the measurement we have found. And after that, our next lecture we have studied about to find out main measurement, which is called the coefficient correlation by using a different kind of the method. We have used a three method, but last time we have studied only the first method, that name is method of Karl Pearson. In this method, we have seen a Karl Pearson given the different kind of the formula to find out R. And today we have started the calculation about to find R by using Karl Pearson's method. Look at here. Whenever you see the question is given like this way. Find correlation coefficient, that is called the symbolic R. Okay, I repeat it. Find coefficient correlation by using KP method. This KP method means you have to using the Karl Pearson method. Second thing is that whenever you find R by using any kind of the method, the data is given always to horizontally form. You have to see here two different types of the data we have seen in this question. First is price, second is demand. Now remember one thing, when you find R and if the data is given by the concept like this, price and demand, then we have believed that the first information is always be taken as variable X and the second information is always be taken as variable Y, because we have noticed that the relationship is to be found in this topic by using two different variables. So whenever a concept is to be given, symbol we have to donate that. First data is called as X and second is called as Y. Now second thing is that when you starting the calculation, our first responsibility is that first we have arranged both the variable by the vertically form and after that calculation will be started. So सबसे पहले आपको vertically form के अंदर पूरी information को release करनी पड़ेगी. So we have given the title find coefficient correlation. After that, first column is taken as price, but now you have to not written the price, you have written the symbol of this variable. So we have explained it X. The value of X is like 24, 26, 32, 33, 35, 30. Okay, as well as beside the second column horizontally formed is to be written like variable Y. 27, 24. 22, 20, 15, 24. Now, listen be careful. After prepare both this column, our first responsibility to find both the mean from this calculation, because of Karl Pearson's product moment method. Among the different kind of the formula is depend on mean. We have considering that if the mean is outcome with the perfect number, then we using the different kind of the formula. If the mean is outcome with the decimal number, then we are using another types of the formula. So our first responsibility, which kind of the value is going to mean, because the formula is depend on mean. So now first we find both the mean like X bar and Y bar. ये तो calculation आपने पहले भी study की हुई है. Suppose we have to find X bar, then first we have taken the additional of this column, that is you have to say sigma X is called 180, the same here. After next you have taken the additionally of Y column, that is called sigma Y. The addition of sigma Y is to be same 132. After taken the sigma X and sigma Y, now we are using the preceding formula to find X bar and Y. You have to see here X bar equal to sigma X upon N. So 180 divided by n. N is called number of observation. You have to look here. 6 different kind of the observation we have given. So we have taken n is equal to 6. So easy. 180 divided by 6, 30 is come answer. That is become our x bar. After the same formula is to be using for find out y bar. Sigma y upon n. From here, you have to take the value of sigma y, 132 divided by 6, that is n. Again, you have to say answer 22. Now, after define both the mean, look at on these values. Both the means are the outcome with the perfect number without pointed value, that is called the perfect number. Now listen me carefully. In this method, if both the means are the outcome with the perfect number, then we have using the find out r. The formula is like this: r equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by under root sigma x minus x bar square multiply second under root sigma y minus y bar square. तो ध्यान से सुनो डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपके दोनों में परफेक्ट नंबर में आए ना, तो आपको आर फाइंड करने के लिए लुक एट हियर, ये वाली फॉर्मूला यूज करनी पड़ेगी. बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट व्हेनेवर यू यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला, you have needed some kind of the measurement to put down in this formula. First is sigma x minus x bar and y minus y bar, but the problem is that we have nothing this value. Second thing is in under root putting sigma x minus x bar square and the same value sigma y minus y bar square. Without this three value, you do not using the formula. So we have needed three different kind of the values to put down in this formula: sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar, sigma x minus x bar square, and sigma y minus y bar square. For this three value, we have preparing some kind of the column to define this value. Okay, now listen be carefully. Here you have to see first value you have needed x minus x bar. So beside y, first we have prepared this column x minus x bar. The same column is called as deviation from the mean. Difference is called deviation from the mean. Now question is that how to prepare this? तो उसके लिए ना ये कॉलम के सिंबल के माध्यम से आपको कैलकुलेशन करनी है. फर्स्ट इज x, सेकंड इज x बार. सो यहाँ की सारी x की कॉलम जो आपको वैल्यूएशन दिखाई दे रही है, उनमें से आपको x बार माइनस करना है. लुक एट हियर, योर x बार इज 30. फर्स्ट वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 24. तो 24 में से 30 को माइनस करके आपने यहाँ पर वैल्यू लिखनी है. 24 माइनस 30 माइनस 6. द सेम हियर 26 माइनस 30, so minus 4. 32 minus 32. 33 minus 33. 35 minus 35. 30 minus 30, 0. After taken this value, you have to take the additional of this column, and that is become sigma x minus x bar. But listen be carefully. This symbol is called a sum of deviation from the mean, and we have noticed that a sum of deviation from the mean is always will become 0. So result is here. Your total of sigma x minus x bar is become this 0. Now after preparing x minus x bar column, second you have to look at here the same kind of column but in a function of y minus y bar. So beside x minus x bar, you have to taken a symbol y minus y bar. अब यहाँ पर जैसे आपने x में से x bar को माइनस करके कॉलम बनाया, ठीक वैसे in this column we have taken the difference between y and y bar. Look at here, your y bar is 22. All these valuations are being called the value of y. So now 27 minus 22 we get answer 5. 24 minus 22 we get answer 2. 22 minus 22 we get answer 0. 20 minus 22 minus 2. 15 minus 22 minus 7. 24 minus 22 again we have getting answer 2. After preparing this column, now you have to once again taken the additional of this value, but this is also be called as deviation from the mean, and we have noticed that the sum of deviation from the mean is always become 0. So once again, sigma y minus y bar is become 0. Look at here. ये दोनों कॉलम कंप्लीट होने के बाद अब जब आप आगे बढ़ोगे तो अब वेरी नेक्स्ट कॉलम में ये जो आपने आगे दोनों कॉलम बनाया है, we have already settled x minus x bar and y minus y bar. But till here you have to say that both these columns are being prepared or set as individual. Now, in the next column, we have taken the multiplication between both these previous column, and that is become x minus x bar into y minus y bar, which is we have needed in the numerator. Okay. So next our third preparation column is x minus x bar into y minus y bar. इसमें आगे जो दोनों आपने कॉलम्स जोड़े हुए हैं उन्हीं की वैल्यूएशन को मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है. Look at here. The first value is minus 6 and second value is 5. So minus 6 into 5, answer is minus 30. The same here. Minus 4 multiply 2, answer is minus 8. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 5 into minus 7, minus 35. Again, 0 into 2, 0. After preparing x minus x bar into y minus y bar, we have taken the additional value of this column, and this is additional values become the symbol of like x sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Look at here. All types of the value are with negative sign, so our additional values also be taken as the negative sign. Minus 79 is become the first value which we putting down in numerator. Okay. After preparing x minus x bar into y minus y bar, look at here, you have to negate the square types of the column. So a next 4 number column is to be prepared as given symbol x minus x bar whole square. In this column, you have taken the square value from x minus x bar's column. Okay. Now look at here. X minus x bar's first value is minus 6. We have taken its square, so value is become 36. The same here. Second value is minus 4. We have taken the square of this value, 16, 2, 4, 3, 9, 5, 25, 0, 0. Okay, after preparing this column, we have taken again additional value, and this addition is become 90. It is called sigma x minus x bar whole square. Okay, now one more value we have needed, which is putting down in this formula, and that is y minus y bar square. Okay. So beside x minus x bar, we have preparing our last and final column, that is symbolic called y minus y bar square. Now we have already prepared the preceding column y minus y bar. The same kind of the value we have taken as a square, and that is become y minus y bar square. So look at here. The first value is here 5. We have taken the square, so 25. Second value is 2. We have taken the square 4. After that 0 to 0, minus 2, that is 4. Minus 7, that is 49. 2 is square 4. Okay. Now after preparing this column, we have taken the additional value, which is 86, and this value is become for us sigma y minus y bar square. So now listen to be carefully, dear student. If both the means are outcome with the perfect number, then we have find R by using such kind of the formula. But second thing is that whenever you using such kind of the formula, you have needed 3 different kind of the value which we putting down in this formulas. For needed these 3 value, we have preparing a total extra 5 column beside variable x and y. The first column is prepared like x minus x bar. Second column is prepared like y minus y bar. After preparing both this individual column, we have next column taken as multiplication of previous column, both x minus x bar into y minus y bar. After preparing the third one, multiplication column, in a 4 and 5 column, we have taken the square values as like x minus x bar square and y minus y bar square. So thus kind of the 5 column we have prepared first. So we find 3 different types of the value which we putting in this formula. Now we have got all types of the value which we did it. After preparing such column, we using this formula R equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon under root sigma x minus x bar square multiply under root sigma y minus y bar square. अब इसी फॉर्मूला में आपको वैल्यूएशन को सजेस्ट करना है. Look at it. The first value is taken the additional of this column. So minus 79 divided by the second value is taken from here under root 90 and the third value is taken from the last column under root 86. अब ऊपर वाली वैल्यूएशन को जैसे वैसे आपको पुट डाउन करना है minus 79. बट ध्यान से डिनोमिनेटर में आपके पास दो अलग अलग वैल्यूएशन रूट के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है, सीधा रूट नहीं निकालना है. लिसन, सीधा रूट नहीं निकालना है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टेकन 90 एंड 86 टू मल्टीप्लाई. सबसे पहले 90 और 86 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. आफ्टर वी गेटिंग सम काइंड ऑफ द मल्टीप्लाइड वैल्यू, सच वैल्यू इज टेकन एज अंडर रूट. बस 90 और 86 को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आपके पास आंसर आएगा ना, उसी वैल्यू का आपने रूट निकालना है. दैट इज 87.98. Now, minus 79 is divided by 87.98. We're getting the answer minus 0.90. That is called the R. So we have find the correlation coefficient between price and demand. The value of R is minus 0.90. Okay. पहले भी मैंने बताया था कि प्राइस और डिमांड के बीच में हमेशा नेगेटिव रिलेशनशिप जुड़ी हुई है. सो आंसर इज आउटकम विद द माइनस पॉइंट. अगर आपको यहां पर कुछ और लिखना है तो आप लिख सकते हो बिटवीन प्राइस एंड डिमांड अ नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन इज टू बी सेम. ओके, एक कैलकुलेशन यहां पर हमारी कंप्लीट होगी. अब ऐसे ठीक एक और कैलकुलेशन सेकंड क्वेश्चन के माध्यम से करेंगे.